So now that we're logged into Oxford Art Online, we can start conducting our research. For this example, I'm going to go into a basic search and show you some ways to modify your basic search with some cool tricks. So from the home page, I'm going to use the search box and just type in my keyword. I'm going to search for the artist Agnes Martin. On the top here, you could see that I got 67 results for my search for Agnes Martin. As we scroll down, we'll see this first search is a bibliographic search. So I could go ahead and click on that and show you this article that goes into some bibliographic information on this artist. So if we go back, just using the browser, I could go ahead and scroll down and I'll show you what's here on the modify your search in the left-hand column. What you could do is you could modify your format. So if I'm just looking for articles or images, I could go ahead and select one here. So let's go ahead and try images. And I'll go and update my search. So now I'm just searching images. I didn't get that many and it limited my search from 67 to just 2. So I'm going to go ahead and unselect that and then update my search so I'm getting my full 67 results again. You can also limit by type. So if I'm looking for bibliographic articles, a family article, geographical article, or a subject reference. Oxford Art Online also allows you to search by life event. So say if I'm looking for information about Agnes Martin's birth or maybe her death, I could go ahead and select that live event here, and that will go ahead and flag that in my search results. If I scroll down a little bit more, it goes into the main search categories and breaks them down for me. So for instance, this is art history, so mentions of Agnes Martin in American art, contemporary art. Again, some of these will get less searches. For instance, religious art, there's not that many mentions of Agnes Martin. You also have to be aware when you're limiting your search this way that you're not picking up results that are out of the scope of what you're actually searching. For instance, this is a good example right here to the right. It's just searching Agnes. How can we prevent that? So let's actually scroll up and I'll show you a trick here with your keyword. So here's our keyword here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to actually put this in quotations. And we'll see what happens. All right. So by putting that in quotations, what I'm actually doing is telling the database to search that exact term. So we're now just searching for Agnes Martin. And you can see right here on the top, my search results went from 67 to 18. So if we scroll down and we see the bold words are my keywords. So basically Agnes Martin, when I search for this example, if we scroll down, we'll see that we're not getting those hits just for Agnes or just for Martin. We're getting hits for Agnes Martin. So another great way to limit your search is to use Boolean search terms. So Oxford Art Online actually allows you to use these in a very easy way. By modifying your search, you could go ahead and add a term. Once you click on that tab, this option comes up to allow you to use Boolean search terms, which are listed here. So and, or, and not. So and is to be inclusive. So it's going to search Agnes Martin and anything I put there. So let's go ahead and put a search term there. So I'm going to go ahead and put minimalism. So this is now searching Agnes Martin. Again, remember the quotations, so it's searching that exact term, and minimalism. Or is going to search either or. So it's going to search Agnes Martin, again, as that search term, or minimalism. If I select not, that's going to actually search Agnes Martin, but not minimalism. So that's going to limit your number of searches. So for this example of basic searching, I'm going to show you one last thing. So here with modify your search, if you drop down these options here, we can actually search Agnes Martin, that exact terms, again in quotations, as an author, as an article title, search it in the heading, search it in the bibliography, and a few other options here. So that's great if you're actually searching for, if Agnes Martin was the author of a piece on minimalism, then I would want to search that as the author. But like I said at the beginning of this tutorial, Agnes Martin is the subject and is an artist who I'm trying to find information on. So I'm going to go ahead and just update this. So I don't want to select not, I want actually to search Agnes Martin and minimalism. So let me go update my search and see how many results I get. So I got 8 results now. So now you can see on the top, this is my search. I'm searching Agnes Martin in all fields, again in quotations, so that complete quote, and all in minimalism. If I wanted to clear my search, I could go ahead and clear all. That's going to just basically take me back to the beginning. Or if I wanted to just go back to just searching Agnes Martin or just minimalism, I could go ahead and just X one of these out. So I hope that was helpful, and in my next video I will go into some more advanced search options and maybe some options for those of you who might not have a particular artist that you're looking for. So we'll look at how this database groups information and how to really limit your search to that one particular topic for your paper. So thanks for watching, and hope you guys join me again.